This film is a do-it-yourself project on how to repair a concrete foundation by parging. Over many years, concrete may start to disintegrate, so repair is needed to ensure stability and also to keep it aesthetically pleasing. Take a look at this next picture. Here's an excellent example of a situation where the concrete has worn away and needs parging desperately. Go again, we're just touching up, getting rid of all the loose stuff, and Alex uses a couple of tools to do that, hammer and kind of a modified screwdriver. Get rid of all the loose stuff. You need to chip away, and afterwards you may see large areas here that will need to be parged with cement. After chipping away all the loose stuff, you can see the big areas that now need attention with cement. Portland cement in a mixture with the sand is what is used for the deep holes. This trowel is very useful for patching up the smaller holes. This standard cement trowel is now used for the final stages in parging cement. The sponge trowel produces a nice fine finish after parging with cement. This is digging out a bit of a trough there just to make sure that we can get down to the very bottom of the problem. For the hammer and screwdriver, we have to get rid of all the loose stuff, so we wire brush everything down, and then we spray it with some water just to kind of rinse it all off. We used a cement mixture, Portland cement, with a 1:1 mixture of sand and cement. Fill up the deep holes, and now we're going to be using some parging cement just to even the whole thing off. This is a little bit after the fact. We did some repair work along the foundation, and in particular right here. If it's visible, you could almost put your foot inside there. For example, my foot would have fit right inside here. And it's got a good dose of cement there, several layers, and should be all good, ready for parging today. Parging cement is now used to make that nice fine finish over the foundation. Okay, so we've got the parging cement, and Alex just added some water. Charles is mixing it all up to get a peanut butter consistency.
And taste.
Okay, so now it's already mixed, and Alex is bringing this out to the job site. Alright, before putting down the layer, we always brush on water just to make sure that the surface is wet so that the cement will stick.
Going pretty good. Once you wet it down with the brush, then it goes on pretty easily.
Yeah, we're putting on the first coat, right? And then we're going to be finishing up with the top coat probably tomorrow.
A bit thicker in its consistency, but the top one will be a bit thinner so we can spread it easily through the cracks. Alex is just sanding it down right now to make it easier.
Okay, Alex.
Hey.
You got kind of a sponge trough there, eh?
I do, and what I'm doing is slowly sanding and smoothing all the cement we just put on so it looks nice and even and neat.
Yeah, that's coming along.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, nice work. Okay, so here we are. The first layer is on, and the second layer is coming on tomorrow. And we'll check back with you later. Okay, the last coat was put on. We used a regular hand sponge to smooth it all down. And as you can see, it's turned out to be pretty good. This side is a little bit drier than before, and this was the worst side out of the lot when we first started. And right now it's the best spot. Here's the final product, and after everything is dried up, you can see the nice smooth finish. Let's look at the next picture or the window, and again, a nice job compared to what it was before. This is nice and smooth. If we look at the dirt, it's all been filled in again, nice and level. Now what remains to be done is, as in the next picture, the needs to be sowed with some grass seed, and in a short period of time it'll all be good.